had not laughed the whole day. I've been laughing by heart. It's too hard. I can't wait. I'm going to say, fun nice got me. All of them so bueno. They were fun nice. So nice. Fun nice. So the others I know who are about to new you know. I say what a buttons. Maybe they do fun. Oh no, start the fun nice. So I'm so aquawe or bois she no. The one because only man never for me.
Oh, busy one. I see.
But so I told this guy you should feature me on and be on it. And then guess what? The day we wanted to record. Remember producer needing but catch us the producer here.
Come now, baby,
your friend is saying your costume. Yeah, me were fear to say Saturday. You know, chairman friend say, and you know like opinion because from day one or that live on Instagram I could be at the very reminiscent of from remember till the next Sunday me rushing and me call. Me economical studio one like engineer or a popular but your attitude or my boss no is serious. I saw person kill it.
I don't know say the mobile no enye there.
I don't know meaning because
and the attitude saying moment here like
can catch you straight me no person can say me but for me to catch akwa we say o catch say na wo beba studio mbuku studio ubo anu aboira agege me can hear Koto Benku and he Benku many Mate Koto Mabe triple Benku many Zindona. But when you saw say Royals and you knew say me felt my blocking my baby, I'm catch you, me bundi acho. Me need one yum because of the way into the music, but I'm watch me catch you.
Okay.
Disrespect.
Big time. You from me pona catch me, but in front of my boy. You disgrace me like that when I've just come from psychiatric. You want me to go back again? Because you see, when we be free, such places bar. Yeah. When we are
your man is still a part of us.
You feel me?
Yeah.
We are sir, you are taking me back to fun nice.
And yes, I producer and finally.
No,
guess what?
In someone me called through that day. I know later. Me car no so my no so anim no like a Bobby Vina and like
cars na mu dey wen
range no
okay yeah o dey compare me
my fan pim
and I then
try to be chat once break and I'm born it
and that's all car ko kisi ni there no
I like it hey so you we try it maybe so I know the fun is now
David come on I say macho
so and no money na monti I'm matching me be fi me be die so somewhere around 11-12 am na me fair uja for say oh so fi na so nim and no brand still I want to do the feature
okay
but nyama ya come for the day no
enough
the feature so my friend he has a studio Frank
oh okay
yeah one of them musicians now omo big dreams
omo sheshe bibia say heti ase dem ko babia
yes only bia it no na him matching and yeah so the song you are about to play no the remix of Fire no was done around 1 a.m. 2 a.m. 3 a.m. 4 a.m. 5 a.m. 6 a.m. 7 a.m. 9 a.m. 8 a.m. 9 a.m. 10 a.m. as e wie nyum
ti mo start time be
it started at much be 12:30 and now 12
and a movie 10 a.m.
following the 10 I think even
I don't know na onhu o the Alliance network na
that be ma to be but that day na spirit of what them on so I'm telling you because it was my emotion my story so make no me so
wow
because we carry where you drag him from you mean person good but you know the
yeah catch up on
you don't go on to now oh my father as much as me do ani as that drag I'm telling you you drag him bu bomb sumni handcuff butu me the two bomb yam pimpim inside the police jamu they will be recording them police more they yam inside or no na dana na do no so toy
now what's
telling you I'm a prophet no so toy tender boy lightning things were striking then I'm that cell no sim that cell today
yeah
that's when I knew say
oh ye nyame
Hey, to was woman can
say we make it one.
No, woman can say we have some family. No, like I knew I was a special person.
Yeah.
So now children following me, I got the meaning. I need to collect my chief for all these years. I knew I'm somebody different. I'm a special person, but I don't know who I am. I don't know if you are getting me.
Yeah, I get you.
If you don't understand it, people are listening.
No, I understand.
They will send you tests quietly. Sammy,
are you okay?
They will say no. Sammy, make sure you hold him for like 20 minutes. We are
who say obey will be another changing
like right now they know no matter what I went through I still remember you.
Yeah.
We are me man.
Yeah, man.
That means there's the possibility to say minim so nyame bone. It mean will try to hold me like
okay, but yes, yeah.
Company, oh.
So they are monitoring you that closely, huh?
Oh, because me pay by
but me say one area and I'm on to say social media.
Yes.
How are you dealing with it? Because I heard the amount for to say
I'm church him. And then they say Obiani achede na mde chem.
Okay.
And on social media on me one person me millions of followers because on Facebook I have 1.7 million, on Twitter I have 1.2 million, on Instagram I have 2 million followers.
Wow.
It's obviously do any son. Obviously to benya haters woman. Now Satam going through the depression I wanted to be heard. I wanted somebody to listen to me. Me kwanso na meti. I matching me kwana meti. It's about when the depression comes, then I unleash it on social media. Yes. Start what I say. So the social media became like Obia no TMA. And so my fans, now my fans will take it easy, you'll be fine. What you're going through, God got you. Those were the words that was holding me. But the attacks never about Jimmy, finish your doing the now it pushing me down the road of suicide. My biggest moment and my trial moment was time going through depression and I was beaten too. I was treated like a slave. Nobody said they don't know your boy. They know your boy.
Yeah.
At 70 years critical, no someone who say me.
Wow.
Yeah, 70 years old.
Well,
there are no emotions, no. And me catch a boy we say, me feature na me ama kamakuma so there to motivate people out there. Like even if I've been through this thing, I'm still living. I don't know where you are going to. You can leave.
See, in this year only wife in Koran and Tiana.
Oh, solid. Say there, Jah wisdom, mercy. You know my in-law is a Rasta man.
Or mini papa and so.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. A Rasta man. So I'm planning say no koye bibia na mden kwala no ni Vanessa nyade.
Abafi.
Because now my father-in-law is a Rasta man. Practically I'm a Rasta man by heart.
Yeah.
Yeah, true man. Because all my children are Rasta children. Hey. Man, say you make out. All my children grandfather is a Rasta man, so automatically I'm in the Rasta business. I'm a Rasta parent.
Wow. We thank God for your wife.
Salas,
a nice woman is also.
Oh, I tell. You know. Yes, you know, but I talk me there sing. Me don't hear football.
Sing. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Commander Richards put on his headphone. I want you guys to listen to the original song, and he's going to perform the original song, and it was on this same platform, Zylofon FM, where we played the song. And Funny Face sent me a message. I like the song you are playing. So after this record, Charlie, the boy, we want to help him. Yeah. I want you to do something because I know you have followed. When you do something with the song, it will go. Yeah. Really, my brother did, and when he was recovering, he felt the need to do something on this song. It's Governor Richards that Ushia funny no car say or ba nyomnesono. How was the feeling for you? Sign our feeling.
Was in a feeling great because it got to some point of time squad and and I said team or we are no more working. It is another market and I'm struggling and me record and you make a video, me do to social media, a push in 1 or 2 days on in baby Kobil. So me to wanna buy and I hope be a new catch them there. Kobina, this your song, maybe I'm simple on or baby tina mention no a surprise. oben oba me nchen straight into nim do nim there Kobina Riches na waba nchen na me hwe na me say we seen it rather no the charger terms of per charger into me me tell me say funny Kobina Riches this no hwe na say no story no team say hey Kobina Riches so the whole circle no be a train
be my
no obi sam say na we yan wa like o hwe say na high anyum talent na micro na me the that side and I was me here the one so
you want to hear
yeah na me so yeah no
boys get talent on street
yeah I know so many of them
all those things Circle I'll be coming to Circle to choose more talent
amen it was urban them no like me happy me no kwani ekoto the obeto later no me gene number because that time the birthday you call and then me should have any personal number because of the team so me gene number they started a kasa na oba through say or the remix of the song I'm so many problem with it na
wow
ya can that the eco studio my all those misfortunes in the car come to me it's some be but still no at the end of the day we were able to record a song on the energy me more hope
okay well to ardent listeners of this platform it is a song they know this song so much DJ Sticker also say only jata se mu tram ho bebre do munyanyum no enyuma ya bo ha bo sanyum na audio mark se mu hu dia me kobo jata family bag background bra more free audio mark because anyway ya bo ha sa musi munyanyum ne sen mo boda mana mutina emu ya enye se hu do me ka chere me enyuma ya bo ha musi munyanyum na what do you guys mean Kobina Riches, I'm ya to the road show.